I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer money from your Stripe account to your bank, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by accessing your Stripe account on the official website. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to the balance section. Once logged in, find the balance tab on the left sidebar. This section shows your available funds. Step 3. Initiate a transfer. Click on the transfer button to start the process of moving your funds. You may need to select the amount you wish to transfer. Step 4. Choose your bank account. Select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do this first. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer and confirm it. You should receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds. Remember, transfers can take a few days to process, so don't panic if you don't see the funds immediately. Happy transferring!